How to use Fundrise for real estate investing. If you're looking to diversify your investment portfolio into real estate without the hassle of managing properties on your own, Fundrise could be the solution. Fundrise is an online investment platform that allows you to invest in a diversified portfolio of real estate assets. It's particularly attractive for those new to real estate investing due to its low barrier to entry and simple interface. To get started with Fundrise, you'll first need to create an account on their website. The sign-up process is straightforward and user-friendly. Once you have your account set up, Fundrise will ask you to select an investment plan that fits your goals and risk tolerance. They offer several plans, ranging from income-focused to growth-oriented options, allowing you to tailor your investment strategy to your personal financial objectives. After selecting your plan, you'll then decide how much money you want to invest initially. One of the benefits of Fundrise is its low minimum investment requirement, which is typically around $500 to $1,000, making it accessible to most investors. Your investment will go into a mix of real estate projects, including residential, commercial, and industrial properties, diversified across various locations. Once your money is invested, you can track your investment performance through the user-friendly Fundrise dashboard. Here you'll find detailed information about the projects in your portfolio, including updates on building progress, occupancy rates, and financial returns. Fundrise typically provides quarterly dividends, which you can choose to reinvest or withdraw. Keep in mind, real estate is generally a long-term investment. Fundrise recommends holding your investment for at least 5 years to maximize potential returns, as real estate markets can fluctuate. If you want to learn more about real estate investing, be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video.